Hi everyone. So we can continue start studying about integers. And today I'm going to teach integer multiplication. Already we have discussed about integer addition and integer subtraction. So now we are going to study integer multiplication. Integer multiplication is very simple, like addition itself, okay, and more than compared to addition also integer multiplication is very simple. Just you have to keep in mind about 2 points while doing integer multiplication. That is, if you are multiplying two integers of same sign, for example, positive multiplied by positive. If you are multiplying two positive integer, the answer will be positive. Of course, that's obvious. That is, you are just multiplying number 2 and number 3, then 2 multiplied by 3, answer will be 6. So, if you are multiplying two positive integers, the answer will be positive. Similarly, if you are multiplying two negative integer, that means integers of same sign. If you are multiplying two negative integer, then also the answer will be positive. Okay. Then if you are multiplying two integers of different sign, if you are multiplying two integers of different sign, for example, a negative integer multiplied by a positive integer. If you are multiplying two integers of different sign, the answer will be negative. Similarly, if the first number is positive and if you are multiplying that with a negative number, then the answer will be negative. So these 3 points you have to keep in mind. That is, if you are multiplying two integers of same sign, two positive integers, the answer will be positive. If you are multiplying two negative integers, the answer will be positive. If you are multiplying a positive and a negative integer, that means integers of different sign, the answer will be negative. Now we can move on to some examples based on this. Okay, so the first thing that is already I have discussed, that is, if you are multiplying two positive integer, let the two positive integers are positive 2 and positive 3. If you are multiplying positive 2 and 3, the answer will be positive 6. Now there is no more to discuss about that two positive integer. We can discuss about the multiplication of two negative integer. Negative integer, negative 2 multiplied by negative 3. If you are multiplying two negative integers, negative 2 multiplied by negative 3, the answer will be positive 6. You have to just multiply the integers without the sign. Two integers are of same sign, so just neglect the sign, then multiply the numbers 2 and 3, answer will be 6, and the answer will be positive because you are multiplying two negative integer. If you are multiplying two negative integer, answer will be positive. Similarly, if you are taking one more example, let negative 5 multiplied by negative 6. So 6 multiplied by 5 will be 30, the answer will be positive. So this is how you multiply two negative integers. Now we can see multiplying two integers of opposite sign. Let the two integers are negative 5 and positive 6. Here you can see one is negative, another is positive. So in this case, the answer will be negative. If you are multiplying, one is positive, another is negative. If you are multiplying two integers of different sign, the answer will be negative. And you have to multiply just the integer. 6 multiplied by 5, answer will be negative 30. Negative 5 multiplied by 6, answer will be negative 30. Just you have to keep in mind that the answer will be negative if you are multiplying two integers of different sign. Similarly, we can take one more example. Like the first number is 7, second number is negative 10. Here also you can see one is positive and other is negative. And you are multiplying these two integers, the answer will be negative because they are integers of different sign. Now for the answer, you have to just multiply the number 7 into 10, it will be 70. Similarly, 6 into negative 3. The answer will be negative 18. Like that it goes on. Now we can combine these two and check two examples. negative 5 multiplied by negative 3. The answer will be, here both integers are of same sign, so answer will be positive, answer will be positive 15. Now negative 6 multiplied by 2. Two integers of different sign, so the answer will be negative 12. This is how it works. So that's about integer multiplication. Hope all of you understood this. Thank you. Bye.